everybody, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and today I am doing a Wantable unboxing. So I didn't ask for anything. I'm also going to be unboxing an active edit soon, so keep an eye out for that. But this is just the regular Wantable, and I have really been enjoying my Wantable boxes. I feel like they're a good balance of quality and price and fun kind of different stuff in it. So we'll see how this one is. I've had it for a couple days. I did have to crack it open because I have both my active box here and my regular one, and I needed to see which one this is. So this is the regular style edit, as they call it. So let's take a look at what came. I say this every time, but I love that they put little pictures next to the prices. All right, so here's my bundle. Oh my gosh, look at all that. That is fun. There are some fun colors in there. All right, I hope there's some summery things in here. Okay, so the first thing is this little sage green blouse. This isn't really my style. I am hesitant about this. I think the cut is cute and the color is cute. I'm not sure if this looks like an old lady to me. I could try it on and think it's amazing, but it looks kind of old lady-esque and it feels very polyester. Okay, not a good start, but we have a long way to go. All right, here's another green shirt. Oh, and this is cute. This is a real soft, just kind of V. I don't know if that's probably not considered a V, but it's a cute little tank and it's soft and stretchy. So this is much more kind of my style and a cute color. All right, so here is like a pinky purple shirt. Let's see what this is. Oh, so this just looks like a regular t-shirt, but it's real boxy, so it should have some cute style with the rolled sleeves. And look, it has, I don't know what that is. I mean, it's kind of heathered, but it has some like little white coming through on it. It's really cute. And it's a little bit short, but I don't think it'd be too short. I don't know, that's fun. It's really soft. Okay, what do we have here? A dress. Okay, this is really cute. It is a dress. Okay, first thing is that I need big bra straps. So spaghetti straps aren't always great. I'll put it on with like a cute bra. We'll see how that is. The only other thing that I'm going to predict is just with my body shape that this elastic right here is typically supposed to be at waist, and it looks more empire and maternity on me. So like on other people it would kind of hang low enough and be more at the waist, but on me it just doesn't fit right because my chest is too large. But we will try that on and see. It is really soft and I love the idea of it. I'm just not sure the cut's gonna be right for me. Okay, and then Thread and Supply That Cozy Life, it says. Oh, and that is just a snuggly, stretchy crew neck sweatshirt. It's really soft. And I like the color. It goes with everything. It's like a rounded hem. That's cute. I like a light gray. And then some Vigoss jean shorts. I haven't bought any jean shorts yet. I don't know if I've even gotten any, but these are cute. They might be a little bit short, but Vigoss is real stretchy and I tend to like how they fit. So we'll see if those are mom appropriate length. And then, oh, okay, and a white denim jacket by Liverpool. I have a white denim jacket, so this would have to be pretty amazing and pretty amazing price for me to need a second one. But I think the white denim jackets are so versatile to throw over Like it just makes like maybe a floral dress or something like that. It like tones it down, it makes it kind of fun and just something other than like a cardigan, a denim jacket, a regular jacket. It's just such a fun touch. So I do like a white denim jacket. It'd have to be amazing though. I already got one. Okay, that's it. Let me go try everything on and we'll see how it fits. Be right back. Okay, here's the first things, and this jean jacket is so comfortable. It's super stretchy and just comfortable. The arms aren't super long, which I feel like the arms of jackets, in particular jean jackets, can be too long. It fits great. I think I like my other one better a little bit though. What do you think? I just think it has like a slightly different cut to it that I really like. So that's that. I do like it though. If I didn't have a white denim jacket, I probably would get this. Okay, I don't say this very often, but I hate everything about this shirt. Okay, not everything. The green is nice. The floral, for me, I just don't like it. The fit on it's like everything's laying wrong. It's polyester. The arms are weird and wrong too. The neck feels too high. Should I go on? I don't like this shirt. All right, well that's fine. You can't win them all. And so these shorts, they're a little short. Just a little, but they're not bad. And actually my husband said if I wouldn't have told him, he would have thought I already had these. And let's be honest, I might already have these. I have not pulled out my summer wardrobe yet. And I know you people live in warm weather. It's not how it works for you, but here I have like baskets of summer clothes that I literally pull out and then I put them away, and I put all my sweaters and things that I know that I won't wear all summer, and I put them in the baskets and I put them away. So I have kind of two wardrobes, and sometimes I get my boxes before I go through that process, like right now, and then I buy things that I already have. So I have to be real careful. Sorry, that was kind of a long story for two shorter shorts that I might already own. All right. Let me go try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, this green shirt is way better. Tell me what you think about that. I love this color. I think it is a cute tank top. I think it would be, you know what I think it'd be really cute with is like if you're going into a job and you put like a blazer with it or even a cardigan with it, it would be really cute. It's super soft, really, really stretchy, comfortable, perfect for like summery work clothes. It's got a little style here. The length is good, I think. Rounded hem. You could tuck it, you could leave it out. I just put it on with the shorts that I had on. I don't know, tell me what you think about this. Do you think it's flattering? It's way better than the last one, so it's benefiting from comparison. But, I don't know. It's cute though, I don't have anything like this. But, all right, well let me go try on the next shirt. I'll be right back. Okay, here are the last things. And I think this sweatshirt is cute. It's soft. It's not particularly stretchy in the middle, but that's not bad. Has a rounded hem. I like the really light gray it is. But it's also just a crew neck sweatshirt. I just bought a black one that had kind of a fun hem at the bottom. It was really stretchy and cozy. And so I think I like that one better. But this is a really nice color and really versatile. And light enough that it would be like great to pull on like in a like evening during the summer. Okay, I have a shirt underneath. Let me show you that. Okay, so it's this purple shirt, and I'm on the fence about if I like this or not. It's see-through. It's real see-through. You can see the tags and everything else. And the length is a little bit short, but kind of the style, especially with like high waist. It's not like a big problem. But I don't know, and it's a little bit longer in the back, but I'm not sure. There's something about it that I don't know if I totally love. Maybe it's the color, but I think I like the color. Maybe I just don't like it on me. Something about it is not, I don't know, is not right. Let me know what you think about this shirt, because I don't know. There's nothing about it that I'm like, oh, I don't like that, but I'm not sure about it. All right, well, let's look at prices and see if that changes my mind on anything. I'll be right back. Okay, don't say I never did anything for you. I put a strapless bra on, and that's a lot, but I had to with this dress. Right, the straps were gonna be all wrong, put it on a strapless bra, and it's real ba 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 boom. This is definitely date night, but it's pretty cute. With the slit even, and little tie, which I'm terrible at bows, but you get the picture. With the little things in the back, see that? I don't know, you guys. It's pretty sassy. Makes me want to get it. Makes me want to pull it up. What do you think about this? I feel like I'll be like standing, well, not like that. That looks terrible. With my leg out all night, have to wear some pumps with it or something. All right, well, I think it'll depend on the price because this is a real cute dress, but I don't need to be spending a bunch of money on a dress that's gonna hang in my closet. All right, I had lied before and said we were gonna go over prices, but I forgot about this dress, and so now we're gonna go over prices. I'll be right back. Okay, now we're actually going over prices, and I think this is a pretty good box. I feel like all the pieces missed just a little bit, but maybe prices will change my mind about things. Okay, so the jean shorts, I have to look and see if I have some similar to it. They were cute and but just maybe a little bit short for me. And they were $48, which is, I think, a good price for Vigoss denim shorts. They're really cute. Okay, so the green V-neck shirt, no, not this one, this one. It is $42. I'm not sure I was that in love with it. I mean, tell me if I'm crazy. Is it that cute? I mean, I liked it, but something about it, I felt like I wouldn't go for it. And that price isn't terrible, but I don't know if I loved it enough. $42. Tell me what you think about that. And then I had said this pinky purple shirt I liked, but something was off for me on it. It's $40. I think that's a pretty good price. A little steep for just a t-shirt, but again, it feels really good quality. And who's it by? By Hayden. Okay, yeah, tell me about that one. The sweatshirt was really cute, but again, there wasn't anything like wowing me about it. I do like the color and the versatility. It's $54. I think that's a really good price. But I'm not sure I was super wowed by it. I don't know. Maybe I don't. Is it me or is it the box? Okay. This shirt, doesn't matter. It's $54. So it's too much and I very much disliked it. Okay, the Liverpool denim jacket is about what I thought it would be, $89. If you don't have a white denim jacket, I'm just telling you, super versatile, but I already have one. So, not for me today. Okay, last but not least, tell me about the dress. The dress is $74. It's stretch cotton. It's really soft and lovely. It's by Gentle Fawn, is what it's called. You know, you don't wear them very often, but when you come across a cute black dress, do you get it? Is it worth $74? Is it worth having to put a strapless bra on for? That's a real answer. Real question, real answers here. Real talk. Okay. I don't know how I feel about this box. It was so close, except for that one green shirt. It was so close, but not like total, like perfect box. All right, tell me what you think is great. Tell me if I'm being too critical. If you like my videos, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like these, and hit the bell if you'd like to be notified every time I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.